Hey guys, and welcome back to the Inky Raven. So I admit I kind of slacked off a lot during the summer and towards the end of the school year last year where we went virtual, and we're about 4 weeks into the semester here with kids on a blended schedule, and things are kind of crazy. I think I'm finally getting to a point where I'm kind of used to it, so I'm able to try to pick this back up. One thing I do want to do with my upper level drawing and painting kids is kind of do the Creatober kind of thing, or Drawtober, and kind of get them in the habit of doing small daily type drawings and just kind of churning out some artwork to get in the habit of being looser, getting more sketchier with their designs. And admittedly, I've tried this for a few years now and haven't made it all the way through it, so this might be the one. I did kind of go ahead and record one for yesterday, the 1st of October, and I've got it all recorded and stuff. I just need to time lapse it and do voiceover work for it. So that, because I used it as kind of like a watercolor tutorial, and I'm going to try to do like one watercolor thing per day and try to keep the videos under like 5 minutes. That way the kids can use them as a like go to see exactly the steps on how to do each different technique. So I'm going to try to do a different technique, especially with watercolor every day. I'm thinking about doing a second set for drawing specifically. We'll see how that goes. That's kind of a lot to take on, but here's to hoping I actually get somewhere this year and get some good tutorials and stuff out of it for my kids and anyone else who wants to follow along. So let's see how it goes. So stay safe, be kind, and be creative, guys. See ya.